ATC Truck Covers has been building industry-leading truck accessories since 1994. ATC is all about honesty, quality products, and exceptional customer service. Our no-hassle policies and great value are just a few of the reasons why hundreds of thousands of truck owners prefer ATC's American-made truck caps, lids, and bed systems. ATC truck covers are easy to install and remove, are made of no-rust materials, and are designed and made in our environmentally friendly plant just outside of Kansas City. Only the country's finest truck accessory shops carry ATC truck covers products.